Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Node.js is installed and you can run Node v. This guarantees the runtime. Once done, make a project folder and run npm init so package. JSON exists because npm scripts and dependencies live there. Next, install Express and Dotenv plus Nodeman for development. These packages let you create a server and manage environment secrets. Make sure to create index.js now so you have an entry point to implement the connection logic. You configure the server by requiring Dotenv at the top so process. N values are available. This is why secrets stay out of source control. Then instantiate Express, add Express. JSON, cores, and a simple logger. These middlewares prepare request handling and ease debugging. After that, implement a connect function that reads host, port, user, and password from nvars and initializes the driver or client. Once connected, export or attach the client to app. Local so routes can reuse the live. You finish by adding npm scripts. Start for production and dev using Nodeman so you restart automatically. This makes iteration faster. Once running, add a /health route that checks both server and client connections so you can see status immediately. Make sure to implement try/catch around connection attempts and graceful shutdown handling. If things go wrong, check logs for authentication errors first. Often a mismatched env value causes failures, so verify env entries and restart the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.